Managing your fleet should be straightforward. That's why Fleetio has teamed up with Samsara to bring you seamless integration that helps you stay on top of your maintenance data. Fleets love Samsara for its robust data insights, ease of use, and end-to-end asset tracking. But what if you could magnify that impact and apply it to how you maintain your assets as well? Combining Samsara's telematics with Fleetio means all your important data flows directly into one place, where it powers smart maintenance workflows and asset replacement decisions. This integration gives you real-time access to the data that Samsara collects, like odometer readings, fault codes, and vehicle locations, and sends it straight to Fleetio so that you can take a more predictive approach to your vehicle maintenance strategy. Resolve issues more quickly with relevant data, and then once those issues are resolved in Fleetio, send that data back to Samsara so all of your systems stay connected. With Samsara's telematics data in Fleetio, you can easily keep tabs on vehicle location, fueling locations, vehicle health, and performance metrics, while also using that data to get better context around your fleet assets and make more informed decisions. Fleetio automates your service reminders based on odometer readings and fault codes from Samsara, and lets you build a smarter maintenance schedule that keeps your vehicles in top condition. Syncing Samsara data with Fleetio eliminates manual work and gives you a complete view of your fleet's health in a single glance, which means you get to take faster and more decisive action to drive your fleet's productivity. See how pairing Samsara and Fleetio can simplify your fleet management and optimize your asset maintenance. Visit fleetio.com/integrations to learn more.